in the Magic. 2025 is almost over.
And we'd like to thank you for keeping us company for the last 12 months.
Sharing all the fun on air, online, and everywhere. Happy holidays.
The fun never stops at the Magic.
On air, online,
At school,
at the movies, and everywhere.
I believe in the Magic.
I believe in the Magic.
I believe in the Magic.
Today's best music, Magic 89.9.
Today's best music, Magic 89.9 Night Live. I'm Isabel. We're going to be with you up until 9 p.m. But right now, tonight, we have a force to be reckoned with in the OPM scene. She's a Bicolana that brought the spice with her. Flavorful music that's like a warm hug with its familiar sound and unique storytelling. Please welcome Diwata on Night Live. This is Magic 89.9. Thank you so much. Hello? Yes, is this working? Hello? Thank you so much, Diwata. Hi.
Hello.
I'm Isabel. Nice to meet you. Hold on, girl. I'm like...
Nice to meet
you. I love your rings and everything. And that performance was wonderful.
Thank you so much.
I'd tell the people, give her a round of applause. Pero tayo lang nandito.
Round of applause.
And I have to say, this is the first time we've done the interview here.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So you're a first pioneer. Yes.
Parang
Hello?
kita yung beauty natin.
Oh my gosh, girl, this is so weird. How did you do it? Watching yourself? I don't know what to do with my hands. So how was the performance? Was it good? Did you enjoy it? Because it felt like you were alone in your room singing.
Hindi ako sanay.
Yeah.
Mas sanay din ako na may kasama akong band. So parang, kailangan ko ba mag-headbang? Or sige, dito lang ako,
But
demure
you were
lang
raising
tayo.
your feet though, and there was like a rock star going on.
And yung mga walang reactions galing sa audience. Parang, lagi ako nagjo-joke, tapos walang tumatawag. Ganun kanina.
So am I not funny, you guys? Like, what's happening here? Okay, but I'm gonna be with you now.
Sobrang exciting. I mean,
Right.
sobrang fun.
Nung performance. Yeah,
Yes.
we had a good time. And I have to say, I've been hearing your music a lot. The first one that I've ever heard from you was, hold on, I have to read it. Padaba Taka.
Yes, Padaba Taka.
Padaba Taka.
Yes.
Right, because you're from Bicol.
Yes.
And I'm from Bicol as well. But I don't speak it. So I don't speak
Bicolano.
it. Right? I can handle the spice, but not the
Oh my
language.
God, same.
Right? So I was going to
Yes.
ask you, if your songs were a Bicol delicacy, what would it be?
Feeling ko, sige, Bicol Express na tayo. Kasi spicy, magata. Yan, parang
milky,
Yeah,
spicy,
spicy
naglalaban,
yan.
right?
Yes.
I've never been this way before. I think it's you that brings it out. I'm more
ganun pa
nonchalant
naman.
than this. Not really. Yeah.
Kasi siguro.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm saying I don't know what to do with my body. Usually I'm seated down. This is crazy. Okay, so we were talking a while ago off air, and you perform a lot in clubs, you have gigs, right? But you're not a drinker.
Hindi. Oh my God, akala ng mga tao talaga, lalo na pag nasa stage na ako,
Yeah.
akala nila lasing ako.
I'd hand you a beer. Not gonna lie, you have red hair, the denim jacket, those boots look like they drink.
Diba? Para akong Cubao Expo girl.
Yeah. I just wasn't gonna say. I don't know how you'd take it. Is it a compliment to you, the Cubao Expo girly?
Okay lang.
So what's your drink of choice? If you don't do you do a mocktail?
No, I don't do mocktails.
So what's your drink
din.
of choice? If you're in the party, what do you hold when you say, bago ka ba dito?
Water lang.
Right, because of the...
Gusto ko yung drink talaga except sa water, yung Wangzai milk.
Sorry, darling, what's that?
yung sa mga hot pot.
The strawberry banana milk? Is that what we're talking
like
about?
nasa can siya, tas red
Right?
shots. Wang-wang yung tawag ng iba.
Wang-wang? Iba yung wang-wang na. Weng-weng.
Weng.
Okay. Going back to the music. Okay. Have you always been a performer? Is this what you've always wanted to do? Because you're very comfortable on stage.
No, not really. Actually, nung bata ako, nasa ibang form of art talaga ako. Nasa ibang field ako.
Let me guess, you did theater.
No.
Really?
No. Sige pa.
Tao? Bagay? Hayop? Photography. Oh, no. Wait, I know this. Digital artist. You paint.
Yeah.
Right? You have an entire different account for your
Yes.
painting. You want to tell the people?
Oh my God, yes! Meron akong Instagram account for my artworks. It's pluma.nonulat. Tama ba yun? Basta yun. Pluma, tapos pluma nunulat siya.
Oh, yeah. No, it's in her bio. If she was wrong, it's in her bio on Instagram. So what got you into singing if you were an artist before this?
Before din kasi ng art ko. Parang nandun din ako sa field ng pagtutugtog lang talaga ng instruments. Like, yung first instrument kong natutunan ay bandurria. Tapos,
What's that?
Maliit siya na instrument na parang guitar pero may 14 strings. 14 or 12. Or 12 ata.
14 strings?
Yes, 14 or 12. Nakalimutan ko. Basta yun.
I can't even do the sixth one.
Diba?
Yeah.
Parang wild. Parang madali na lang sa akin natutunan yung guitar. Kasi so, yung unang instrument ko is mas madami pang strings.
Yeah.
So, ayun. Pero after nun, napunta rin ako sa pagdo-drawing na. Nandun ako sa pagdo-draw. And after naman na, nasa dancing ako. Ate
You
ko.
did so much.
Yes. Sobrang supportive din kasi ng parents ko.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah.
So, parang alam ko naman na hindi ako academically matalino. So, bumawi ako guys sa talent.
Right, that's why we're here with mics, not pens and
Yes.
pencils, because that's not the life for us.
Yes.
Right, so what made you start doing music then?
Napunta ako sa isang songwriting camp na pero nagsusulat ng songs, merong mga sa film. So,
Yeah.
napunta ako sa pagsusulat ng songs and doon ako natutong magsulat ng songs.
Oh, okay. So, did you ever release the first song that you wrote?
Hindi, syempre.
Malay mo,
Kasi-
diba? Malay mo multi-talented, una-una pa lang. Hindi natin alam.
Kasi sobrang cringe ng song na yun na
So, what was it about? Pray tell.
about heartbreak.
Like most songs. Like most songs, yeah.
yes. And ano rin kasi siya eh, since wala rin akong alam, sa pagsusulat ng song, yun yung audition piece ko sa mismong camp na yun. So,
Ooh.
para makapasok sa camp na yun, sa songwriting camp, kailangan mo may original
You have
song.
to prove yourself first.
Yes.
But that's why you're gonna go into a camp to learn, no?
Pero wala akong any idea. I don't have any idea paano magsulat ng song. Ang ginawa ko, naghanap ako sa Google ng mga quotes.
Right.
Google search.
Hugot quotes for songs.
Quotes about heartbreak.
Yeah, okay.
Tapos, pinagtagpi-tagpi ko siya. Di ko alam na kailangan pala na nagre-rhyme, kailangan may mga figures of speech, kailangan may mga ganitong something na sa lyrics. Pero, nakapasa.
Evidently.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So what was the title of the first song? And if you can remember how it sounded, could you?
Alala ko lang yung title niya is Naglaho.
Naglaho.
Tapos, nung time din na yun, may band din ako, pero cover band sa school namin.
Yeah.
Tapos idol namin ng band na yun, yung Kamikaze. So, imagine niyo
So
na lang
was
na
was
para
it
siyang huling
headbanging
Yan!
Huling sayaw? Is
para
that-
siyang huling sayaw
Yeah.
yung song na yun. So, yun. Hindi ko na rin
Naglaho.
maalala yung melody niya. Pero yes.
Naglaho. How old were you when you did this one?
17?
At
Or
17,
16.
naglalaho na yung
17.
puso mo.
Diba? Para namang
So deep
pinagdaanan.
feelings for somebody so young. Yeah, I can't say.
Yeah.
But was there something, because now you mostly write about heartbreak, except for your Bicolano song. That one's about love, right? So it's a lot about heartbreak. Is there something that you haven't written about but you want to write about in the future?
About my parents. Yan, parents.
What about your parents?
Wala pa ako nasisulat tungkol sa mga, or sa parents ko. Ayun. Gusto ko makapagsulat. Kasi feeling ko sobrang, pagdating sa usapang magulang, sobrang emotional ko. And parang pag nagsulat ata ako, may iyak na lang ako, di ko siya matatapos. So parang ayun.
What about your parents? How supportive they were during your career?
Super. Nasabi ko sila ngayon, shout out to my mom and dad! Hello!
Are you going back for the holidays?
Yes!
I'm gonna be there too.
Oh my God, sige, sabi Mama, may ano na ako, bisita tayo.
Kumakain po ako ng lahat ng pagkain.
May taga-ubos tayo, guys.
Sa New Year po. Oo.
Ayan.
Yeah, okay. So what's your favorite song to perform now from your repertoire of songs?
Siguro, Padaba Taka yung top 1.
I love that one.
Kasi
Genuinely,
yung
though.
song din na yung parang nakapag-headbang ako ng sobra. Tapos yung next is Antiguar, it's another Bicol song.
Yeah.
Tapos may ginawa kasi kaming something doon eh, na may instrumental part. Tapos headbangan ulit. Tapos, ayun.
Rocker at heart.
Yeah, rocker talaga. And top 3 ko is, ano ba? 10 mga daliri. Yun.
Oh, I love all of those songs, especially the Padaba Taka. You have to help me with this one because it translates to Mahal Kita.
Yes.
Okay, so what's your favorite lyric from that song? Because genuinely, mine is Siling Labu.
Siling Labu. Ay, Labuyo.
It's very quirky.
Yeah.
Right? What's your favorite lyric from that one?
Siguro sa akin, papadabaon ta ka, sagud pa man kita magurang.
Translated to. Yes,
Wala niyo,
I
guys.
understood. Lovely.
Bicolano.
My lola would be so proud. Apo ko yun. What does that mean, girl? I got nothing.
Mamahalin kita hanggang sa ating pagtanda.
Oh, that's really nice. Did you know? Because that song right now, I heard it one day when I was on shuffle driving around, and I said, "Oh, I understand." And suddenly, what happened? What happened? It sounds familiar, but I don't understand anything. And then I deep dived into it, and it's a Bicolano song with 40 million streams on Spotify.
Thank you.
My goodness,
Let's go.
right? It's amazing. It's a lovely song, but you have a new one right now.
Yes.
Langit Lupa. Now this one is in Tagalog. This one I understood fully. Okay.
Yeah.
This one caught my attention because it's about being in love with someone, but you're from two different worlds, right? So,
Aldab yarn.
so what were you? What was the mindset, or where were you in life? What point in life were you in when you wrote that song? What was happening when nanonood ka ba ng Aldab? Nung napanood, parang, oh my gosh, Langit Lupa, I found it. This is my next single.
So may lyrics doon, parang may pader na nakaharang sa atin, papalayo ng papalayo. So naalala ko yung bumagsak na pader sa Aldab. Sorry, as a fan.
No, don't worry. Ako din. Umuwi ako na maaga from school just to hear her voice during that. Yeah,
Oh,
no,
yes.
I got you. Okay, so where
Pero
were
ayun.
you in time?
Siguro kasi single. Ang dami kong mga crush na hindi ako
Yeah.
bet. So parang may iba rin na hindi kami pwede. Parang
Kasi di ka niya gusto? Or
di ko na rin nga alam kung gusto niya ba talaga ako or
Yeah.
hindi. Pero life happens.
So what was
Yes.
it? What was the inspiration behind that one? Was it just one singular moment in time, or was it a feeling? Did you watch something?
Yes, actually mas feeling siya. Na ayun nga, nagkaroon ng crush na hindi ako gusto. Lagi naman din kasi akong ganun Parang as someone na wala rin pang naging karelasyon sa buhay.
Ano ba to? NBSP ba tayo?
May mga
Meron naman.
hi, mom and dad.
Pauwi niyo pa rin po siya sa Bicol ngayong holidays.
May papakilala ako. Joke lang. Pero ayun, siguro yung feeling lang yun na parang, yun nga, imposible kaming maging kami. Na parang yung tadhana na mismo yung separate sa amin.
Oh,
Yeah.
personal experience, but we're not gonna disclose who.
Shout out si... Joke.
No.
Joke.
Okay, segueing, I digress. You've had many collaborations, Arthur
Yes.
Miguel with Justin of SB19. So if you were to collaborate with anybody, living or dead, local or international, who would you choose?
International, gusto ko si Post Malone.
Oh, I can see that.
Yung
Yeah.
country niya.
Uh-uh.
Diba? Yun. Very
You'd
bet
both
ko
be
yun.
headbanging with your guitars. I can see it.
Tapos sa local, siguro, ano ba? Simula na tayo dun sa sa SB19.
Iisa-isahinan sila?
Hindi, sila mismo yung
Ah,
group.
silang buo.
Yes, buo.
As backup dancers while you're gonna
Ako.
be singing about...
Ako yung backup dancer.
Sila yung naka-mic stand.
Solid.
Okay,
Yes.
SB19.
And Ben.
Ooh, Ben and Ben's good.
Yes.
Ben and Ben's a good one. I feel like it fits because both is like folk type music.
Sila actually yung isa sa mga inspo ko talaga dati pa sa pagsulat ng song. So,
Oh,
yes.
okay. So how'd you find your sound? Because your sound is really like folk music. It's a lot of acoustic guitar as well, which is weird because I've found myself headbanging to an acoustic guitar single only to your songs, by the way, which is very weird for me. So how'd you find your sound? What was something that triggered you to say that parang this is how Diwata is gonna sound like?
before talaga, yung genre ko is reggae.
Oh,
Like, sobrang layo, di ba? Parang,
yeah.
Tapos,
Reggae?
Tapos isipan ko pa nun magpa-dreadlocks, mga ganyan. Like, sobrang gusto
Don't
ko
worry, I
yung
can
reggae.
see it though. I can see you as somebody who'd go through that drastic change in life.
We call her na nga eh.
Yeah.
So, ayun, reggae siya. Tapos, until na-meet ko yung Ben sa yung songwriting camp na yun. Parang pangalawang year ko dun sa songwriting camp na yun. Tapos sila yung naging mentor, si Paolo and si Miguel. Tapos, na-discover ko yung music nila. Sobrang ganda. And may mga nakapagsabi rin kasi na yung voice ko daw is hindi daw bagay sa reggae. Like, bro, pop!
No. It's more of a folk song acoustic. We'll hold on to our guitars.
Parang mas demure.
Yeah. What's your favorite Ben and Ben song then?
Oh my God.
I'll help you. Mine's Leaves.
Sa akin, hindi. Oh my God. Sampung mga daliri. Sampung mga daliri. Hindi yung sampagita, tas yung kayumanggi.
Oh, I haven't heard those.
I'm a fan.
She's a real fan, yeah.
Yes.
Because they mentored you, so you should be. So no, I do get it. That is the kind of sound that you're going for, but it's still a little bit different because Ben and Ben has more of there's like a bajillion of them in Ben and Ben, right? And you make so much sound with just your guitar and your voice. It's very unique. And I do very like your music and I appreciate it a lot. And might I say, Sampung Mga Daliri made me cry. The music video, I watched it one day after work when I was alone. That was like the most wrong decision I've ever done. I was so sad after that one. How'd that one come into fruition? How'd you make that song?
Yung Sampung Mga Daliri, matagal ko na siyang nasulat. Like 2023 or 2022.
Yeah.
And then fast forward to 2024, last year, naisipan ko na baka pwede makakollab si Justin with a song. Kasi nag-meet kami na Justin sa isang gig sa Baguio, yung Cozy Cove. Tapos, tinanong ko lang yung team ko kung pwede ba kaming magkaroon ng kahit anong collab or like content collab.
Yeah.
And then yun, napayagan naman kami ng isang song. Tapos, pinapili ko sila sa 3 songs na nasulat ko and napili nila yung Sampung Mga Daliri. Tapos doon din natapos ko siya 2024. Tapos ni-record na namin yung song.
So when did you start writing that song?
2023.
Oh, what was it about? Because it's really, I really like it. The lyricism and the tone as well.
Oh, thank you. So,
The music video actually was very interesting to me.
Parang siyang Squid Game.
Yeah, I was about to say, why? It's a heartbroken song as well. Why was the music video like Squid Game?
Nung time na shoot namin yung music video, uso rin siya yung Squid Game nung time na yun.
Yeah.
So, what if gumawa tayo ng Filipino version? Tas mga games din. Yes,
yeah.
Filipino games din. So, yung may Patentero, Langit Lupa. So, ayun. Sobrang fun nun.
Yung may Easter egg nga ng Langit Lupa right? Was it really intentional though?
No.
No. It just so happened my next song was going to be, but for the sake of it, you know what? Yeah, it's an Easter egg. It really was.
Oh, talaga. Actually, oh.
Okay, so you've done singles, EPs. Do you have an album in the making?
Secret.
So do you have a song in the making?
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit what it's going to be about?
It's a cover.
Ooh. A Christmas cover?
No. Next year.
Next year?
Pa, yes.
What cover? Drop a hint.
Ang pag-i...
Oh, you've heard it here first. We don't know what it is. Oh, safe yung ano niya. Safe yung...
Diba?
Right? Okay. So we'll leave it at that. Those are the plans for next year. But this coming end of December, this coming end of 2025, what do you have? Gigs coming up if you want to shout out anybody as well before I let you go?
Shout out to my mom and dad.
Hi, Mom and Dad.
Hello po. And to my sister.
Aww.
And to my friends. Ano pa ba? To my crush.
To her crush out there somewhere in the world, to her future love of her life, maybe.
Hello, ML. Yeah, shout out to you guys. And ano pa ba? And syempre to my fans, to my listeners. Hello, guys. Thank you so much for listening to my songs. And ayun, upcoming gigs, siguro may mga guesting shows na hindi po siguro pwedeng sabihin. Pero ayun, uuwi po ako ng Bicol para mag-Christmas. Share ko lang
po siya sa Maynila.
Share ko lang, guys.
Okay, but thank you so much.
Thank
and
you.
if you do have any guestings or anything coming up, they can find it on your
on my-
socials, which
socials.
are...
It's at Ako Ay Diwata, DWTA. Baka gawin nila yung DWTS eh.
No. It's not Dancing with the Stars, y'all. It's DWTA. Right. Okay,
Yes.
thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
over and for performing for us. Once again, you can stream all of her music on all digital streaming platforms. You can follow her at Ako IDWTA Diwata. Yes, there you go. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For coming. Once again, this is Diwata and you're tuned in on Night Live here on Today's Best Music, your Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.